Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another episode of my tested series. Today, my friends, I've got a multifunctional voice amplifier with a huge classroom like this. I think it's going to be pretty useful, so let's get cracking. All right, friends, so the first place to start is with what's in the box. You can see here we have got the amplifier from Maono. It's got a mic, an aux, volume, belt clip, and a charging port. So it's got all its power built in. We have got a headset with a flexible cable. Also has a pop filter or a windscreen. We've got a standard audio plug. We have got the charging cable. And we've got a strap that we connect to put over our shoulder. And also a manual. So let's do some looking to see how it works. Alright, friends, so this is pretty simple. This is where we can clip it. There's your belt loop. Volume is easily adjustable. That's your on-off. It has play, pause, repeat buttons because you can add an SD card, which is pretty slick. I've got it all charged up, and now let's plug it in and see how it works. Alrighty, friends, so I have disconnected my normal microphones. Right now this is off. Let's turn on the power button and immediately see what the difference is. So that is pretty impressive. I've got a large classroom, and seriously, when I'm talking with the whole class, it's difficult to get to everybody. But now that I've got this on, I can actually quietly talk into this that we can adjust to get to the spot where we want, and I can clearly get the volume out there to everybody. This is really slick, easy to charge, put on my hip, and bam, I'm ready to go. Now I could also put in an SD card, play some music, we'll test that in a minute. Let's also see how it works when we wear a mask. Alright, friends, so there it is, mask in place, and this is the clearest I have sounded in probably 9 months. When I'm in my room without kids, I don't have to wear a mask, but when I am teaching with kids, oh my gosh. Friends, this is an awesome way to be able to talk to the entire class without having to strain my voice. Alrighty, friends, you can see I've attached the clips. That was easy peasy. Hopefully the noise isn't too annoying. Let's put in an SD card and see if we can get it to play a tune. There you go, immediately playing music. Play pause works just like you'd expect it to. That is super slick. It also has a AM/FM radio. My classroom is horrible for picking up signals, so I'm not even going to mess with it. But outside, I bet you that's probably pretty slick. If we turn it around, it's easy to see that there is a display that's easy to read. Alright, so it's real easy to play your songs. Once again, if we hit mode, you can see there it's in speaker mode. And if we also short press, now we're in radio mode. As I said, in my classroom, we don't get any reception. You could also use it as an aux, and you can actually use it to charge another device. Alright, everybody, so there you have it. Multifunction voice amplifier from Maono. Super simple, portable, chargeable, and in this big old classroom, it is going to be awesome. Friends, if you're interested in one, make sure you check the link in the description. And of course, friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.